This lesson is an exercise for you. I did some exercise. I did the following. I'm going to close. Then now I'm going to do the following. Let's say that I want a routine that is going to include the last 5 days after the end of an activity. Here, for example, I say target end is the 11th of June, and here I want to show only 5 days after the 11th of June. I don't want to show this. I should delete this, but if I delete this, okay, this happens to this formula. This is destroyed. So I cannot do this. Okay, to do this, first of all, I'm going to do the following. I'm going to develop a ribbon record macro. I'm going to delete this. And when I'm here, I check what happens. So here, this part has no reference anymore. So I need to create a new reference, which is this one. And then I need to copy this here. And then here. And here as well. Oh, here I need to fix this. Okay. And here's the same. Okay, good. Then I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna see Visual Basic what I created. I created this. So let's focus on this. I have a selection. In this selection, you have to work to define the range or the set of columns that you're gonna delete according to the coordinates. You have to know where is the last date, get the last date, and then move on the right from 1 to 5. Select and delete Excel to left. Then you're gonna get this cell. You have to find a way to get this, and at the formula you're going to insert something like this. Then you should do this for each row, and then you count this how many columns, how many rows in that column. You're gonna repeat this process, or you're gonna use the copy and paste function in VBA. Otherwise you use this. And then here you put 3, and then you put 4 for the next one, etc. Okay, the same is for the insert function. Here you need to insert some function. You change this date. At the end, you can also insert. To do this other, I'm gonna record macro. Okay, insert columns, and I'm going to insert 1. Let's say insert another one, 2, and this one is like this. Okay, yes. In here you're gonna Visual Basic for applications. I'm going to this one, and I have this other one, insert columns. So this is the delete columns, and you can see here this anyway to make an exercise. And then you're gonna copy and paste formulas as I'm doing here. Selection autofill destination. This you use the selection autofill, and the destination is this. With this one you're gonna copy the formulas from one position to the other position, and as simple as that. If you take these two ones and you adapt them, you get this function that you can use to insert or delete data according to the last date or the target test end of testing. And according to this, you have 5 days after this testing date. So if you're going to finish here, then you need to delete 4 or 5 columns. If you're going to finish here, then you need to add 4 columns. You just need to find last testing date or the target end date. You need to calculate the column and also verify the column where you have the last data and do your formulas. When you are done with this, you create a dashboard with all the elements that are created according to your data that you have here. So you not only change static dates, but you're going to change completely the table, not only the elements, but also the number of columns and also of rows if needed.